Hey, congrats on your new Ooni Halo Core Spiral Mixer. You'll no doubt be keen to get baking with it, so here's our quick fire guide to getting set up. First, the unboxing. Start by lifting your mixer out of the packaging. Always support from the base, never the head. That's important. Halo Core is actually 25% smaller and 30% lighter than our Halo Pro, making it compact enough to live out on your counter, but lightweight enough to move around and store away if you're low on space. Next, you'll find your attachments. Rotating bowl, the spiral dough hook, removable breaker bar, angled silicon edge beater, dual geared whisk heads with gearbox, airtight silicon lid for easy dough proofing straight from your bowl, the power plug, and last but not least, your clear splash guard. First things first, thoroughly clean and dry your attachments before any baking begins. The good news is, with Ooni, everything except your gearbox is made from dishwasher safe stainless steel, making cleanup an absolute breeze. To clean the mixer itself, first use a wet cloth to wipe the surface down and then a dry one to remove any moisture. Now, find the tilt lock latch release here on the side of your mixer. This is how you'll raise and lower the mixer head. Let it lock into place with a click. As a nice safety feature, the mixer will automatically stop if the latch is released while the motors are running, because nobody wants a face full of flour. Whatever you're making, you'll always start by attaching the rotating bowl. Our 4.5 litres, that's 4.8 quarts for our friends in the States. It can mix as little as 500 grams all the way up to 2.5 kilograms of dough in one go. Enough for 2 to 10 12-inch pizza dough balls. Line your bowl up with the slots in the base. Place it in and gently turn clockwise until it's tight and doesn't wobble. Now for the attachments. The first thing most people want to make in Halo Core is dough, and for a good reason. These are our dough making superstars, the spiral dough hook and our patent pending removable breaker bar. First, insert the spiral dough hook into the furthest back attachment point and turn it until it locks. Next, slide the removable breaker bar into the front attachment point by aligning the pin. Hold it in place and tighten the nut around it, twisting until the bar no longer moves. At this point, you can fit the clear splash guard by sliding it under your mixer head. You'll be able to raise the lid and add ingredients as you go, or funnel wet ingredients right into the heart of your dough using the handy spout. Right, once you've lowered the head, plug the mixer into a power outlet and flick the switch at the back to on. The speed dial at the top couldn't be easier to use. You have 20 speed settings in total, and a simple clockwise turn will take you to your desired speed in 5% increments. 5, 10, 15, all the way to 100%. Our max speed at 300 RPM. You'll see the interface light up to show you where you are. To reduce the speed, just turn back the other way. The quick stop and start means you can pause and restart the mix just by tapping the dial. Perfect if you want to check on your dough partway through. The whole time you'll be able to see what's going on inside your bowl, thanks to the dual LEDs, which keep your mix in the spotlight. It is, after all, where the magic happens. Your spiral hook works dough against the breaker bar in the center and creates a powerful dual kneading action, while the bar acts like an anchor, stopping dough from clumping around the hook or climbing up and destabilizing the mixer. The true brilliance of this particular breaker bar though is down to our patent pending design. In ordinary spiral mixers, the breaker bar is fixed, meaning all you can make is dough. Great if you're a professional baker making bread day in, day out. Not so good if you're a home baker like me who wants to vary things up. So we rebuilt the breaker bar to be fully removable, allowing you to go beyond dough and make practically anything. For silky smooth cake and cookie batters, the angled silicon edge beater attachment is your go-to. It's specially shaped for a spiral mixing bowl, and it angles your batter back down into the bowl for a really thorough mix, while the silicon edge cleverly scrapes the bowl sides for you. To use it, insert the beater into the back attachment point and turn clockwise until tight. To whip creams and meringue, you'll use the dual-geared whisk and gearbox. These work as a team, creating an amplified, rapid whipping action for that light, glossy texture every baker wants to see. First, fit both of your whisk heads into the slots in the base of the gearbox. You'll hear a click as they go in, then align the gearbox with the back attachment point. Push up and rotate until locked. Right, that's you set to bake with Ooni Halo Pro. For all the compliments you're about to get, you're welcome. And for everything else, from recipes to baking tips, head to the Ooni app. We hope you love using Halo Pro as much as we love creating it. And thanks again for buying Ooni.